Hello everyone! Welcome back to our home video cooking tutorial. Today's video is we're going to make our homemade brownies no oven. In the mixing bowl, we are going to sift our flour and cocoa powder to remove lumps or large particles. And we are going to pour 1 cup evaporated milk, sugar, butter, vanilla essence, and instant coffee on the pan over low heat, and mix until it dissolves. After that, we're going to add the sifted flour and the cocoa powder mixture. Mix them well. While it's still dry, add another cup of evaporated milk. Cook the mixture very well. Repeat this process until you get desired moisture. When it is done, put the mixture on a baking pan with a parchment paper. Spread the mixture evenly into the baking pan. Flatten and smooth the surface using spoon. For frosting, we are going to use black chocolate and 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. And for the toppings, we're going to use chopped peanuts. Pour the chocolate frosting evenly on the top of our brownies. And we are going to sprinkle the chopped peanuts on the top of our brownies. Let it cool down and cover it with a parchment paper. Then, refrigerate it overnight. And now, here is our homemade brownies no oven. Thank you so much for watching your home cooking grid.